full adder using half adders. So full adder is basically a circuit that is built using two half adders and one OR gate. So we need two half adders and one OR gate to build it, and it takes three input A, B and C in, and it produces two outputs sum and C out. So for making a full adder by using half adders, so let's see what is half adder. First of all, half adder is a circuit in which we give two inputs A and B, and it produces sum and carry. Sum is A exclusive OR B. So this symbol is for exclusive OR, that is XOR gate. So simply sum is exclusive OR of A and B and of A and B. So this will be the output of the half adder. And if we see the full adder circuit, so full adder takes three inputs A, B and C in, which is called carry, or you can say it add 3 bits together. So if A, B, C are three inputs, the exclusive OR of all these three inputs means A exclusive OR B exclusive OR C, and carry will be AND of A and B plus exclusive OR of A and B and its AND with C in. So this is the output of full adder. So now we want to make full adder. This is the half adder and this is full adder. We want to make it a full adder by using two half adders. So if we have this circuit, we have two inputs to half adder. This is half adder and it will produce, the output will be A exclusive OR B, and we give it to another half adder, and second will be output will be the carry, which will be the A B. So we give this to OR gate. This is the OR gate, and we give this to this OR gate, and another input which we want to give to this is C in. So one input goes to this half adder. So this is C in. So half adder will give us two outputs. One is the sum. Sum will be that of A, B exclusive OR of. So the first exclusive OR first plus exclusive OR of second input, that is C in. So for this half adder we have two inputs. One is A exclusive OR B, this is X, and C in is Y. So it will perform the exclusive OR of these two inputs, first and second, because half adder always do what it do is it make exclusive OR in the sum A and B exclusive, A exclusive OR B as a sum, and A multiply B or A and B as carry. So it will also give us carry, which will be A exclusive OR B C in. So for OR gate we provide this carry as input to this, and another is AB. So we have AB and this input. So final C out will be equal to, that is AB plus A exclusive OR B and C in. So this is the output of the full adder. So by using two half adders and an OR gate, we can perform the same operation which is performed by the full adder. So that's all. Thank you.